Hello all and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another Chanel unboxing. This one will be rather quick because this is just a small piece that I picked up at Dubai Mall, I guess a week or so ago, and I had actually forgot to open it. So I will be traveling back home to Canada today and actually want to take this piece with me. So I thought that I would share it with you quickly. Just a little piece here. Of course, always so beautifully wrapped. And let's see. I may just need to hold on 1 second. I need both hands to unwrap this with the pretty Camilla. Oop. Put that here. Just a little jewelry piece. This will match some of my other necklaces that I've purchased. So I'll just unsnap this here. It's quite ornate detail with the beautiful pearl, and you can see obviously the CC logo. And again, CC. So it's a rather pretty bracelet, and I will enjoy wearing it this summer. Beautiful piece as always. Thank you for watching.